Do you have a friend who always gets the best deals? Are you a wanderlust who thinks you always overspend? Well, fret no more. We will help you travel smarter, cheaper, and with a lot more fun. This is your guide to navigating the world without breaking the bank. Today we've got some epic travel tips that will save you money on flights, holidays, packing, and even local adventures. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, let's talk about booking flights. Airfare can be the most expensive part of your trip, but with these tips, you'll be flying high on savings. Tip number 1. Book incognito. Those sneaky airlines track your searches and hike up prices when they see you're interested, so switch to incognito mode and keep those prices low. Tip number 2. Flexibility is key. If you can be flexible with your travel dates, you can score some sweet deals. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to compare dates. Trust me, flying on a Tuesday at 6 a.m. might not sound fun, but your wallet will thank you. Tip number 3. Set fare alerts. Websites like Kayak and Hopper let you set alerts for your desired routes. They'll notify you when prices drop. It's like having a personal travel agent who works for free. Like it so far, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And do check out some really cheap travel destinations. We have videos on that too on the channel. Now let's talk holidays. Whether it's a beach getaway or a mountain retreat, here's how to get the best bang for your buck. Tip number 4, package deals. Sometimes bundling your flight, hotel, and car rental can save you a ton. Check out sites like Expedia or Priceline for those combo deals. It's like a value meal for your vacation. Tip number 5, stay off the beaten path. Popular tourist spots are great, but exploring lesser-known destinations can be just as amazing and much cheaper. Plus, you get to brag about discovering hidden gems. Alright, let's get packing. Overpacking is a rookie mistake. Here's how to pack like a pro and save on those dreaded baggage fees. Tip number 6, the roll, don't fold method. Rolling your clothes saves space and keeps them wrinkle-free. Plus, you can fit in that extra pair of shoes. You know, just in case. Tip number 7, weigh your luggage. Avoid surprises at the airport by weighing your luggage at home. If you're over the limit, consider wearing your heaviest items. Sure, you might look like the Michelin Man, but hey, it's free. Tip number 8, travel-sized everything. Those tiny shampoo bottles are not only cute but also TSA friendly. And don't forget, most hotels provide toiletries, so leave those full-size bottles at home. You've made it to your destination. Now let's save some money while enjoying the local culture. Tip number 9, eat like a local. Skip the tourist traps and find where the locals eat. Street food and local markets are delicious and budget-friendly. Plus, you'll get a real taste of the culture. Pro tip, if the menu has pictures and is in 6 languages, run. Tip number 10, public transport and bikes. Taxis can be pricey, so use public transport or rent a bike. It's cheaper and you'll see more of the city. And who knows, you might even get some exercise. Tip number 11, city passes and free days. Many cities offer tourist passes that give you discounts on attractions. Also, check for free museum days or local events. It's like getting VIP access on a budget. So there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll save money and have an amazing adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our travel hacks. Leave a comment below with your favorite travel tip or where you're headed next. Until next time, happy travels and keep exploring.